and today we will be making a paper wallet. So the materials you need are A4 size printer paper and tape. So this is how it will look like at the end. You can put 2 cards in here and money in the back. Put it away. Now let's start. Now put it like this. Take the top edge and put it down to the bottom edge. Give it a nice squeeze. Now you can unfold it, and now you can see there's like a line that divides the paper into halves. Take the bottom edge and fold it to that line, and give it a nice squeeze. Now I'm going to flip the paper over and take this edge and fold it to the line. Now give it a nice squeeze. Now you can flip it over, and now you have to do like this, and you have to open it. Now look, it popped up. Now with this, take it and fold it up. Fold it up. I need to fold it a little bit more. Like that. Now give it a nice crease. And right here you see this line. You need to go crease there too. Now take this edge and fold it to the bottom. And give it a nice crease. Now you can flip the paper over. You can unfold this. Turn the paper over. Take this like line and this, flip it, and then put it to that line. And then give it a nice crease, unfold it, turn the paper over, and now you can see there's like a pocket here. Take this square and with the line, put it in the pocket, and then keep it like that. Give it a nice crease. Now you see, you can take like this and unfold it a little bit. Unfold it like this, and then you can don't fold it exactly on this line. You have to go a little past the line. So I went a little past, that's good. Now you have to unfold it, unfold this, put this in, crease it, and then put this back in now. Now, fold this in, and then give it a nice crease. Now, take a piece of tape. And then put it right here. And then you have to tape it to the back, like that. Do the same with the left side. Fold it a little bit. And then you can unfold it. Now you can keep it folded. And then take another piece of tape. Tape it here. Keep it a look good. And then turn it over. Tape it to the back. Now put your thumb in the middle. And then fold it to the center. And now give it a good. If it's like crumpling up like this, you can just take it and pull it like this in the back of it. And then you can pull it down and give it a nice crease. And now you unfold it, you finish the wallet. So the bottom one is for 1 card here and 1 card here. And the back one is for money. So I have just 2 cards in here and 1 here. And this is how it looks. When I close it, it's right here like this. You can even color it if you want. That's it. Goodbye. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.